How to use Grammarly to improve writing. Firstly, go ahead and create your Grammarly account. Go to the official website of Grammarly. You can sign up to Grammarly using Google, Apple, or email. There's free plan and paid plan in Grammarly. Free plan is enough for basic grammar fixes. After that, if you have any writings, then paste or upload. If you can, then you can also install Grammarly extensions on your browsers. Now Grammarly will show you results in terms of color highlights, so make sure that you do your research on what color means. Red generally means that there are spelling mistakes. Blue means clarity and sentence structure. To be better at writing, make sure to click on each suggestions. You can choose to accept or dismiss the fixes. The fixes could be of spelling, grammar, wrong punctuations, long sentence, and many more. Before starting, make sure that you set your writing goals. Grammarly will rewrite suggestions to match your own style. So that's all for today. Thank you.